Hi, this is Steve Biggs of Boatshed Norfolk on board Aquafibre Entrepreneur 44. This is engine start. As you can hear, it's a bit of a lively day. January day, wind howling, not overly warm, bit of preheat. All up and running. Take you to see the engine. Beautifully quiet, it's right out the back. Again, nanny diesel engine. Being out the back makes it beautifully quiet on a hydraulic drive. If you'd like further information on this Aquafibre 44 Entrepreneur, then please contact me, Steve Biggs, at boatshednorfolk.com. Thanks for watching.